market kind of played out just as we anticipated in the previous weekly analysis chart, which was I was anticipating a wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. So it did that on Euro USD quite cleanly. And right now on the daily chart, Euro USD just broke structure on the daily time frame because our structure is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this move down, breaking this point, just kind of broke structure. So that means that for Euro USD right now, our bias is no longer bullish, but it's not yet bearish fully until probably on the daily time frame we can see a trend that is now down. Or if we go to 4 hours time frame, we want to on 4 hours be able to see a pattern, just like okay, let me zoom out. Like when the market was going up, there was a clear pattern of 4 hours of up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, which was broken, I believe, on Friday. So before we fully get strong into a bearish bias, we want to also see on the 4 hour time frame something like up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so we want to see something like this move down. We have a downward move, probably a rise again, and a decline before we now start taking sales. But by the time at least we see a decline, a rise again, that would be our first opportunity to try and take a sell while using the most recent high on 4 hours as stop loss. However, for most pairs right now in the market, most of them are in the correction phase, meaning that you may have to be patient. If you're not trading maybe Euro USD or Pound USD, you may have to be patient maybe within the week to see some kind of clear pattern before you take trades. If not, the correction phase is a phase that is kind of difficult. I trade trends. I want to see a trend in the market before I trade it. I want to see a clear trend before I start taking trades. So most other pairs right now are actually in kind of correction, meaning they have not set a clear direction that they're going. However, there's one pair I'll be mentioning just at the end of the video, so stay tuned, that I'm going to be eyeing, and I think it has some kind of trend. Or I may mention it midweek when I create another video and mention that. So that's for Euro USD. For Pound USD, it was the same kind of analysis, up, down, up, down. So within the week, I was expecting that we'll have a decline, which it did, then a close up. Now, the rise up didn't quite close up perfectly. That happens sometimes in structure where you have a truncated move, but it pulled up. So this is what to expect on Pound USD. On Pound USD, it may still turn around and completely go up and close that structure. That may still happen eventually. Or it may continue downward. Whichever the case, on Pound USD right now, if you look at even on 4 hours, you'll find out that there is no clear trend per se on 4 hours per se, because you had a move down, pull down just before you could say it's up down. It came up and kind of broke structure, came down, went up, so it's kind of sideways. This is a correction mode right now. It's on correction, even though on daily you may look at it and say it's trending, but not really. It's more of sideways when you look at it in a smaller time frame. So that being said, we're gonna keep watching it. Of course, when if Euro USD breaks this level, that will be a break of structure. So our bias on it will no longer be bullish per se, and will now be more bearish. But since Euro USD has already broken structure downward, we're going to be on Euro USD already kind of looking more on the bearish direction. You understand? We're going to be looking more on Euro USD on the bearish direction while we are waiting for a clear structure to be formed. But we'll be looking more on bearish direction already on Euro USD. So, like I said, most of that pairs are on correction phase. The pair that my eye is on, and I probably will be talking more on maybe within the week, is the ND card. ND card. The ND card seems to have some kind of clear direction downward, but I'll be talking more on it maybe within the week. So if this section has given you value, please like and subscribe to the video, to the channel, and drop a thumbs up and drop a comment if there are areas that you want me to look into during this weekly analysis, and I will do so. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.